Next up, we got this NSX to wash also. NSX, Jaime's NSX. We'll get that cleaned up. Let's get back to the rig. Cruiser, baby trailer. That Honda Civic is done. I'll give you a look at it. We're gonna start the NSX. Let's get this job done. Get the NSX refreshed, glossed up, get it protected, get the wheels looking right. You guys know the deal. Let's get started. He's had it put away for 3 years. He said hasn't been washed. There's his Instagram right there. He also has a YouTube channel. I'll tag him. Maybe he'll upload some new videos. Car doesn't look that bad for not washed in 3 years. We're gonna get some thick soap on here, let it soak up, break a lot of that dirt loose, rehydrate that gloss coat, get this NSX looking right again. First wash in 3 years. Sheesh. It's a nice car. Might offer him $2,500 for it. See if he'll sell it to me for $2,500.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Still have the 2017 sticker on there? Yeah. Did you pay the tags?
No.
Pretty nice. Jaime is vlogging it. Do a walk around on the car. cleaned up, vacuumed up, cleaned up the seats, wiped up the dash, double screens. Everything's looking pretty nice. Door jambs wiped up, clean. One thing I like about this car, I've never seen this. The subwoofers on the passenger side floor. That's pretty cool. Carbon fiber hood's looking nice. Cleaned up the wheels pretty clean. Looking good. That paint's looking nice and clean. Those Volk wheels are looking nice.